In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default font in Microsoft Outlook. Whether you're composing emails for business or personal use, having a consistent font can really make your messages stand out. Plus, it saves time reformatting every time you create a new email. So, let's get started on personalizing Outlook to your taste. First, open up Microsoft Outlook. Once you're there, you'll need to locate the settings, which you'll find right at the top of your Outlook window. It's easy to spot thanks to a little gear icon usually nestled in the upper right-hand corner of your screen. Give that gear icon a click. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options. From this drop-down, you want to look for an option labeled Mail. You'll see it in the left-hand column as you navigate through the menu. Selecting Mail may seem like a simple step, but this takes you to a hub of options specifically tailored for all your email settings. Next, within the Mail menu, look for Compose and Reply. This option handles all sorts of settings related to creating emails, including the font you want to use. Clicking on this will open a new section on your screen where you'll see text options available for composition. Now comes the fun part, choosing your font. In this section, you'll notice a drop-down menu designated for selecting your default font. Clicking on this menu unfolds various font choices. You can scroll through and preview some of these fonts, picking the one that matches your style best. You might want to take a moment to try a couple of different fonts to find the one that you feel represents you or your brand the most accurately. Once you've made your decision on the preferred font, make sure to hit Save. This Save button usually appears at the top or the bottom of your settings section, and it's crucial to ensure your changes don't get lost. Clicking Save not only sets the default font for all your future emails, but also commits your choice to Outlook, allowing you to move forward with confidence knowing that each email will showcase your selected style. And there you have it, a few simple steps and your default font is set. Remember, personalizing your emails not only adds a professional touch, but also leaves a lasting impression on the recipients. Feel free to return to these settings anytime you want to change your font again. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing with your newly customized Outlook.